The technology of communication has fundamentally changed in the past 20 years.
Higher education has to provide a curriculum and an environment that reflects what students are living in their lives.
But a communicating, interacting, busy, visible, noisy place where people come together and work together.
It's where ideas, concepts, processes, and production come into one.
And I think we're going to work in a way that positions us to be a leader in what we do in the 21st century.
This is a place where creativity lives.
So when we opened the Sverdrup building, I was a student here in the business school as a graduate student. It was a completely different time.
The building we started with was good for what it was designed to do.
In 1988, it was an analog world. It was not a digital world. I didn't have email, I didn't have voicemail, I didn't have a computer.
Newsroom meant newspaper, and radio was radio, and TV and film were different media. And they all got taught in different rooms behind locked doors.
So the media now is no longer defined by the platform that it's used to deliver, but more by the story and the content.
We had to adapt, go beyond the print story and bring new elements to keep it more engaging, more interactive.
So you need a building that facilitates that kind of multimedia, multidisciplinary interaction. The building is designed to promote happy accidents where people from different backgrounds and different disciplines see each other's work.
I get to see my classmates doing their best work, and I can learn more about it and possibly become involved.
This is all glass walls, and that advertising student is going to walk past people who are actually doing something in one of those labs and go, "What is that? I want to know more about that."
The atria, the two lobbies, have both been expanded and each designed to be usable as a kind of living room for the school and a public place for the university. The Media Commons is one of the centerpieces of the design. There will be in there a portable news desk. There will be a 3-camera setup like a traditional TV studio.
It's going to have a radio and podcast facility, a one-button studio where somebody can literally go in with a flash drive, plug the flash drive in, hit a button, it records whatever they want.
The remodeling has a student media lab. It is set up like a creative agency where people from different backgrounds and different specialties work together on projects, on brainstorming.
It just calls for more collaboration. It's certainly more encouraging to be inviting and to work with one another.
In the Design and Production Lab, it provides a great opportunity for students from many different majors to collaborate on projects, all in the same space. The Active Learning Lab allows interactivity, so that way the student as an individual could have his or her work projected for the whole room to share, but it allows people to work collaboratively in a way that they were never able to do before.
In the Testing and Criticism Lab, we're providing a screening facility so that students can see their work in a variety of formats on screens of different sizes and with different technologies.
Having the ability to perform our production tasks with the fastest hardware possible gives us an edge.
We want the building to be a place of intersection and a place of interaction across disciplines.
What we have right now is classrooms that can enable interactions globally. So our hope is to be able to bring students from Europe and Africa and Thailand to work on the same projects at the same time.
We gauge our success on the success of our students and our graduates. So I don't think there's anything about this renovation that the faculty aren't thinking about. How is this going to make our outcomes better?
That the building is not just a facility and a set of classrooms, but it is also meant to encourage students to feel welcome and to feel enabled on their journey of success.
We have created a student services suite. We've placed it right on the first floor, on the busiest hallway in the building. This is what we care about the most: serving our students, bringing our students in, helping them succeed and move on to a full, successful career. We have a very strong School of Communication, a strong and important legacy.
And we know that our students, provided with the technology and the resources and the innovative teaching techniques that our building can now provide, will be best equipped to succeed in the future.
they will really be getting a 21st century technological education.
I think this is the key to us becoming more than just regionally known. I think this is key to us becoming a national player.